Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 1 exercise problem number 46. While solving this problem, we will be using electrical power formula, that is the product of voltage and current, and Tellegens theorem. According to Tellegens theorem, power supplied to a network is always equal to the power consumed by the elements of that network. And if we add these two power together, their result will be 0. We also will be using passive sign convention theory. According to this theory, elements with negative power will be considered as power supplier and elements with positive power will be considered as power absorber. First read the scenario. In the circuit, element 1 absorbs 40 watt, element 2 supplies 50 watt, element 3 supplies 25 watt and element 4 absorbs 15 watt. How much power is supplied by element 5? This is the network and from element 1 to 4, their powers are mentioned in question, but we have to calculate power of element 5. So without wasting time, let's proceed toward its solution. This is the circuit. Element 1 power is 40 watt and this power is being absorbed by element 1. Element 2 power is minus 50 watt and element 2 is supplying this power. Element 3 power is minus 25 watt. This power is being supplied through element 3. Element 4 power is 15 watt and this element 4 is absorbing this power. We have to calculate the power of element 5. So in order to find the power of element 5, we will use Tellegens theorem. We know the basic equation of Tellegens theorem is summation of all power supplied of a network plus summation of all consumed powers of a network is always equal to 0. We have the supplied and consumed powers in this network, so we can place those power in this equation. Here we have placed all the supplied and consumed powers in this equation. Element 5 power is unknown, so we have placed it here as a variable PE5, which indicates power of element 5. At this stage, we do not know the status of element 5 power, either this power is being supplied or consumed. But we know one thing, that the summation of all these power will be 0. So we can use this concept to calculate power of element 5. Rearrange the equation to separate variable from constants and do some mathematics to calculate power of element 5, that is 20 watt. Here the power magnitude of element 5 is positive, so this element 5 will be absorbing power of 20 watts. So this was the last question of chapter 1. Now we have finished chapter 1. In next video we will start chapter 2. Thank you. See you again in next video.